Officer, your hand. Onto the platform. Okay. Where are your assistants? Bring down here, don't worry. Sorry, okay. You don't forget me. Yes, no very. We don't meet many times now. Yes, many times. Every day. I want show them the way they go take. See that ladder, you stretch your leg back and climb. But somebody has to hold your camera. When you climb, we give it to you. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm here. Okay, hold on. Don't let it enter. Oh, but so you go take me from there. Are they up?
Hold on. A few days ago, my attention was drawn to this blast, and before this one, I heard out another blasting somewhere, and then we just heard that something happened this morning again. And so, as Minister of, Petroleum, it's incumbent on me to come and see things for myself. I've come today, assisted by, security, heads, in the region, and I have seen what happened here, and this is very, very unfortunate. This cannot be allowed by any responsible government. These are very important, economic assets of the Federation, and the government will do everything humanly possible to ensure that we protect these assets, and we will go after anybody that's linked, to any of these crimes. Anybody, wherever they are, wherever they may be hiding, we all the job will know how to find ourselves. We'll find them wherever they are. This is, a major, trunk line, and anytime you shut it down for a day, it results in huge, revenue loss, not just, to the Federation, to the company, and even to the communities. They call that, following the PIA, communities also have 3% stake in whatever that, passes here. So communities too must be told that they also lose income. And we are also, causing so much damage to the environment. And under no, circumstance will this be accepted, by this government. 18-inch Tebidaba brass pipeline. This is the one that supplies crude to the brass terminal, and which is very important. Now it is shut down, for the purpose of maintenance. And I'm very happy that, as we came, we're already seeing maintenance going on. This is the difference between, when you have IOCs that may have to take permission from, the head offices outside the country, and when you have an indigenous operator. Wando, having acquired these assets from, NAOC, took decisions in country very fastly, and they're already maintaining them. So I want to commend them, and I want to also recommend this template, to other companies that have acquired, similar, companies. But what is more important is that security agencies, would do whatever that is legally necessary. So bring anybody involved, to book. There's no way people around here would not get some intel. There's no way somebody living close by will not see a boat passing. And we know, if your brother in the community goes out in the night to go and commit a crime, so time this person drove out of this community. So we'll work with them. But ultimately, we're telling them that, look, this is everybody's job. You're also losing income. Federal government is losing income. And then the environment where you fish and farm is also damaged. So it's not beneficial to anybody at all.
I think you can see the dent. From there, you see the dent. Super. Yeah.